Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Nubia Red Magic 7 has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device, and the first one we can already see is this one on the top, and that's a phone call speaker. Now let's check the top. So there's no speakers. Bottom, here's a speaker. Left side, so here's a fan, I think. We're gonna check it in a second. And on the right there's also the fan space, and on the back there's also some kind of a gaps, but that's also for the fan. So now let's just try playing some music, and to determine if that's a stereo speaker, if the sound is coming from two sources, that means it's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from only one source, that means it's a mono speaker. So let's try playing music, covering each thing that we can see that it's a speaker, and see which one is. So we can confirm that these two are not speakers. This is also not the speaker. So now only speakers that are left is this one and this one. So let's play music again. So we can confirm that these are stereo speakers, as the sound is coming from both this one and this one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.